Hey guys, it's Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to scrap this car amplifier. As you can see, on this end, there's some little gold connections. And on this end, there's another piece of a gold connection. So let's see what's inside a car amplifier. We have some pieces of gold here and some pieces of gold here. These are all gold plated. As you can see, there's some gold plating there. And the rest of it is some pieces of copper, some iron back in there, and the rest of it is just low grade. Now let's weigh everything. 2 ounces of copper, 12 ounces of a low-grade board, 2 pounds of steel, and 3 pounds of aluminum. Alright guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!